I will simple now. Today I will explain a third example about factorization. The instruction is factorize. First, we analyze if the trinomial is perfect. If you see this is not a perfect square trinomial, because this one doesn't have a square root. 300 doesn't have a square root, so it's a trinomial in the form x squared plus, this is m2, plus bx plus c. This is the square root of this one. This is the exercise, so we have to factorize. Now, I will use the process. We just open two parentheses. Yes. Get the square root of the first term of the trinomial, which is m2. The square root is m. I repeat in both parentheses. Then I write the sign. The sign of the first parenthesis is the first signs of the trinomial. The sign of the second parenthesis is the result of multiplying these two signs. The negative is positive. So because this number is very big, yes, the method we use is doing prime factorization. So I'm going to do prime factorization of 300. 300, we do the prime factorization. 300 is divisible by 2. Remember, we always divide by 2, 3 with prime numbers. That's what we call it, prime factorization. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on, and 13. 13, 17, and so on. Okay? So I'm going to start in order. So 300 divided by 2, 300 divided by 2 is 150. 150 divided by 2 is 75. Okay? 75 is not divisible by 2, so 75 is divisible by 3. If you don't know, you need to work out. Yes? So 75 divided by 3, if you don't know, you have to do it 75 divided by 3. 7 into the 3 into the 7 is 2 times, 3 times 2, 6. I will do it quickly. 7 minus 6, 1. I bring it down to 15. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 15. 15 minus 15, 0. So the answer is 25. Yes? So 75 divided by 3 is 25. I'm doing this because I'm going to show you, if you don't know the answer of addition, you have to work out. Right? You have to work out. So 25 is divisible by 5. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. If we multiply these numbers, the answer is going to be 300. But the problem is that when we place the two numbers here, the subtraction, because this is negative and this is positive, so we need to subtract and keep the sign of the greatest one, the result must be minus 20, which are the numbers. And so we make two numbers. We make two groups of numbers. So I can make this group, for example, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. 12. 5 times 5 times is times. 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. So we know that the multiplication of 12 times 25 is 300. But that is not the problem. The problem is the subtraction. So if I subtract 25 and 12, if we subtract, the answer is not 20. So this combination doesn't work. The combination doesn't work. So try to memorize the combination you make. This combination doesn't work for me. So I can do another combination, which is this one. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 60. 60 times 60. Sorry. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. So I can make this combination. The answer of this is 60. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 5, 60. Do we have a chance that 60 minus 5, remember it's minus, we obtain minus 20? It's not possible. If we subtract 60 and 5, it's not possible. So this combination neither worked for me. So we erase, try to memorize the combinations. So the first combination was this, and this 2. Doesn't work. Second combination was this, and this one alone doesn't work. So let's try to think another combination. What will happen if I combine these 3 and these 2? Let's see what happens. 2 times 2, 4. Yes. 3 times, 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 3 is 75. We have the same problem. If we subtract 75 and 4, the answer is never 20. So this combination neither worked for me. So let's try to do another combination. Let's try 3 times 2 times 5. 2 times 3 times 5. What is the answer of 2 times 3 times 5? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Yes? What happened with these two numbers? If we multiply 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Oh, we have here a possibility to have minus 20. Yes, if we subtract, because remember, one integer is negative and the other is positive. If we subtract 30 and 10, do we have a chance to get 20? The answer is yes, of course. So, how is the way I place the two numbers here to have an answer minus 20? Let's see what happens. If I place the 10 here and the 30 here, do we have minus 20? Let's see. Minus 10 plus 30 is plus 20. If we subtract these two, remember when we subtract two integers, we keep the sign of the greatest one. These two integers are negative. We subtract and we keep the sign of the greatest one. Minus 10 plus 30 is positive 20. So in this way, this is going to be a wrong answer. So I change the order of the numbers. So what happens if I place here 30 and 20? I think it works. Minus 30 plus 20, we subtract and we keep the sign of the greatest one in the answer. Minus 30 plus 20. Sorry, it's plus 10. Sorry, 10. Sorry, it's 10. Minus 30 plus 10, the answer is minus 20. So this is the answer of the exercise. Well, I apologize because of the mistakes. I'm so sorry. Yes, I forgot what I was saying. I put here 20. Oh, George of the jungle. Okay, guys, this is the way we factorize this kind of trinomials. Look. We do the prime factorization to discover the two numbers. Yes? And we make combinations here until we get the two numbers that have the condition to give us the term and a half of the trinomial. Guys, thanks. I appreciate you sitting here, watching my videos. Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next